One is a box shadow, and next one is the text shadow. So first example on colors, second example on borders, and now the example is the shadows. We have two types of shadows, sir. Box shadow available and text shadow available. One by one, I'll explain it. And this is our Facebook login page. Observe the page carefully, and is there any shadow or not? Try to identify. Any shadow? Where? Huh? Facebook. This one. I think you are thinking this is shadow, right? The projector problem. That is not shadow, sir. The projector blurriness is displaying like that. And our cables problem, that one. This side normally displaying. We have shadow in this box screen. Try to identify. Which color box? Blue, green, white? White box. We have login box here, here, white color box. A white color box edges, try to observe, sir. We have some light gray something, or 2 to 3 millimeters. Some gray color is available here, and even here also this is. That is called as shadow. But a very light shadow they applied that one. So this is which shadow? Box shadow or text shadow? Box shadow. Like that, recently we visited one website, sir, Edit Plus, for downloading of the Edit Plus software. Once open the software, a website, sorry, Edit Plus software downloading website. Daily this only editor I'm using. Shadow is there? Huh? No shadow, na. Edit Plus clear shadow is there. EDIT, 4 alphabets, 4 shadows are available. And bottom orange color text is there, na? FTP text editor. There also we have the shadow. And bottom next to buy now, download what's new features. So there also we have the shadow. These are the text shadows. These are the box shadows. These shadows, so how to produce ourselves, that is our current topic. The really shadows using an auto, you will get the proof. Yes, real-time websites also they are using shadows. But how to produce the shadows, our concept. So many websites we have the shadows here, but shadows could be a keen observation required. But a Facebook login page observed together. If you see normally shadow visible, no. Concentration observation. The first property is box shadow. First property, box shadow. So this property used to display the shadow, for HTML tags, means for shapes. Actually, we are displaying the shadow for HTML tags here. That I'm giving some more clarity for any HTML shape. Every tag, one shape available conformly, rectangle or square or circle or something. If you have any one shape, then I can project the shadow. Without having the shape, shadow not possible. Even real life also. And the syntax comes like this: box hyphen shadow colon, write your shadow measurements. So first one is the x-axis measurement required. Next to y-axis measurement required. And then color of the shadow. By default, shadow color black. Real life also black only, sir. Programming also black only. And if you are not interested the black color, we can change to red, blue, green, or something. Anything okay, no problem. Then what about this one, sir? X-axis, y-axis, how much distance you want to project the shadow, the length of the shadow. On engineering first year, projections available at drawing. One rectangle box we are projecting, or one circle we are going to projecting. Like that shadow projection. A projection length we have to specify here. It is not tag measurement, sir. Your shadow measurement. Tag, they have their own width and their own height. X-axis, how much length you are expecting the shadow. Y-axis, how much length you are expecting the shadow, that we have to specify. And the third one is the shadow color. The basic syntax, this one. Same for text also, sir. Same information, same point. This property used to display the shadow for data. So what are the text or data we are printing on the screen? For the text or for the data, we'll get the shadow here. Alphabets are paragraph available, sir. 4 lines of paragraph. Of 4 lines of text, you can project the shadow. No problem. I have 1 line of heading, sir. In that heading, 20 characters available, 20 alphabets. 20 alphabets will get the shadow. So this is data shadow and this is shape shadow. Syntax explanation same, sir. Just a single word is changing. Text shadow followed by your shadow measurements and the color of the shadow. Now see the example, we'll get something better awareness. First, I'm going to displaying box shadow. So for that, I'm taking some paragraph. The more lines of data available, so easy to observe and easy to identify. A small paragraph, style equals to some settings required here. I'm copying the data. So first run the paragraph once without shadow, sir. You will get an idea. This is our actual paragraph. Original paragraph. Now start applying of the shadow. Box hyphen shadow colon 3 pixels, 3 pixels. X-axis 3 pixels, y-axis 3 pixels. And shadow color, red color I'm taking. If I'm not specified any colors are, automatically black color it will comes. So this is the paragraph shadow. Our actual paragraph background white color available, sir. For that white color box, we'll get the black line. It's look like as a line, but it's not a line, it's a shadow. 100%. But feel is like as a shadow line. We are unable to understand properly, sir. This one really shadow or line or something else, sir. But do one thing, apply the background color for the paragraph. You want to get the easy to understandability. Apply the background color for the paragraph, sir. But now we'll get easily this is the shadow or line. 100% shadow only, but feels like as a line. So remedy for that one is background color. Take some cyan color. My paragraph background color is sea blue, no sky blue, no something, sir. For that paragraph, we'll get the shadow black color. Blue color box, background, black color shadow. And a shadow field, if you want to observe it, the right side you can observe here. There are two boxes available. Blue color box is black color box available, but both are displaying like this. The original shadow box, this is your original paragraph. Both are displaying like this. So you will get this is the line feeling. Can you expand the shadow, sir? Oh, why not? Y-axis 13 pixels, getting drop the shadow. Your interest, dropping. 33 pixels, sir. A black box now slowly coming out. Observe. Whenever the sun moving like this, sir, what happening shadow? Traveling a shadow, not traveling. Our shadow is sunlight is moving like this. Sunrise to sunset to sunset to sunrise. But if any building or tree is available, a tree shadows are moving like this. And sometimes a tree shadow small distance available, sometimes a tree shadow long distance also available. That depends upon your lighting effect. Next one, back to this. But now where the shadow is displaying, sir? Bottom right corner. Paragraphs bottom right corner, a black color box is displaying. Why, sir? Your coordinates is the reason. I'm not asked any direction. System automatically displaying that one. So why there only it will take, sir? But x-axis, y-axis, both are the positive measurements. The x-axis is positive value, y-axis is also positive value. Then that side it will comes. Or how to change the directions, sir? Change the measurements models. Mathematics graph sheet available. Any idea? Graph sheet. The total graph sheet is divided into 4 quadrants, right? If I take the x minus y plus, which quadrant? X value negative, y value positive. Second quadrant. X value, y value both negative values. A box place changing or not? How it is changing, sir? Measurement type is changing. Negative values one corner it will comes. Positive values another corner it will comes. Same formula here also we can follow. So this is our actual tag. Suppose inside we have the data like this something. Now see the shadow directions. If I given the both positive values, sir, shadow comes to this edge. Both positives, x value plus and y value is also plus. If I given the both negative values, sir, shadow comes to here. X value negative value and y value is also negative. If I given the x is negative, y is positive, sir, this one. First one is negative measurement, second one is the positive measurement. Balance we can understand together. Plus and minus. So what are the measurement you given? As per the measurement, your shadows places changing. That is the 4 combinations. 2 pluses, 2 minuses, 1 minus, 1 plus, 1 plus and 1 minus. But current our program, which one? Both are pluses. Then only you got the shadow bottom right. I want to move the shadow, sir. Next example, I'll show that. So this time I'm taking some H1 tag. One H1 tag I'm taking as usual style. Background color common, sir. So background color some yellow. Background color yellow only. Next to box shadow. box shadow colon, take the 4 pixels, blue color, 4 pixels and blue color. Close this. Once again, I applied the background color for my H1 tag, and I'm applying the shadow also. 4 pixels x-axis, 4 pixels y-axis, and shadow color is the blue color. The shadow color is blue color. Now print the data something. So Naresh I Technologies, I'm printing here just for formality. This is here also we have the shadow as it is, same positioning, but we want to change the position. So -4 pixels to -4 pixels. Both are negative values, and shadow jumping to top left corner. Moving from this bottom edge to the top edge. This is next one. First one negative, second one positive. First one is the negative, second one is the positive. And x-axis negative, y-axis positive. Shadow direction again changed. Reverse. First one positive, second one negative. First one positive, second one negative. So 4 diagonal parts will get the shadow. 4 diagonals, 4 shadows. You just change the measurement type, that's all, nothing to do. Next one. I'm going to showing one more, sir. This time I'm taking the image. Shadow is this time I'm applying to image. So SRC equals to go to the images, pick one of the image available in our folder. Okay, this time rose I'm taking, rose dot png, and it's a very big picture, so better apply the measurements. Width equals to some 300 pixels, height equals to some 400 pixels. Initially displaying the image without any measurement, special effects. Displaying the image without any special effects. This is the actual appearance of the image, the original appearance. Now for this image, I'm going to apply the shadow all the 4 corners. But Facebook login page 4 sides shadow is there. At that I'm going to applying here. Funny what? Yeah. So style equals to take the shadow as usual, box shadow colon, and 4 sides we have to shadow, sir. So we should supply the 4 measurements. The left side how much shadow required, top side how much shadow required, right side and bottom side. There are 4 sides got diagonal concept not available. You have to specify the left measurement, top measurement, right measurement, and bottom measurement also. So 4 measurements required. I'm going to writing the 4 measurements like this: 2 pixels, 2 pixels, 3 pixels, and 3 pixels. Color is rose gada, red. Color is red. The red rose gada, sir. Border also red rose on red color. So 4 sides are given the measurement here, and the color is also specified. And this is your shadow. Four sides we have. Two sides light available, two sides got the length available, sir. Reason 2 pixels, 3 pixels, and 3 pixels. As per my measurements only, nothing else. Four corners. But Facebook login page is same shadow is there, but gray color, light gray color they used. We use it the dark red color. That is the difference. Displaying of four corners. Why this white color is displaying here, sir? This is not white color. The actual image. This white color is your actual photo length, that one. So this is not my creation. If you have any problem with it, then change the image name. But a gap's not forming. So see, take this one, sir. We are not getting any gaps here. So around your photo, we'll get the shadow. Where the photo available, exactly edges it is drawing the shadow. So two sides are on the particular corner, otherwise all the round the tag. Next, we have one more special option here. That also I'm going to showing. Same image. This time, three measurements I'm going to specify. Two measurement completed, four measurement completed. Now three measurement shadows I'm specifying. See that? Okay, 2 pixel, and 10 pixels. Color is blue color or magenta color. Dark magenta I'm taking here. What is the three measurements concept, sir? First two measurements are x-axis and y-axis only, sir. And this third measurement is the depth of the shadow. Depth of the shadow. Then normally this is your web page, sir. Images just comes like this. Every tag is coming to attachment like this, sticking. Every tag content is sticking on the web page. But a third measurement, what's and a small gap forming here. Observe here. That gap is called as the 10 pixels. Normally the tags comes like this. So that is called as the depth of the shadow, sir. Now your photo is comes like as a little bit 3D effect. A depth it's creating the 3D effect feeling. First box to last box edges focus it, sir. Wait, not displaying properly. It just try to observe. Get a 3D effect available or not, we'll get see that one. Give the more measurement. This portion you have to observe and observe this portion. Difference is available here and here. So third measurement is represents the depth of the shadow. The tag coming from the little bit embossing from the web page. Normally the tags displaying like this, sir. When you apply that one, they're coming slightly like this. So two measurements, four measurements, and three measurements. Same thing you can apply for paragraphs and headings also, but not effective. Images, it's very effective. So all these are the box shadows and their options. Now moving to the text shadow. So letters, I need the shadow, sir. Take the H1 tag, style followed by text shadow, colon. So 3 pixels, color. Choose one of the color from this library and write the data, sir. So I'm displaying my name here, and we hear how many alphabets available. For every alphabet, it is dropping the shadow individually. That is Actual name Shivakumar, black color, sir. Because I am also black color only. Kada. That's why at least my shadow red color I'm feeling here. This is the text shadow. Now this also you can change the placements, positives, negatives. If you change here also shadow direction change. How much distance you can decide it yourself, sir. 13 pixels, sir. So shadows going so far away from your text. Shadow traveling away. It's going away from the text. I've given more measurements, sir. It's crossing India border also. Black color original data. Red shade shadow. So data we can apply the shadows, pictures we can apply the shadows, and tag shapes available as shapes also we can apply the shadows. And the shadows we can display in the different sides or different directions. Everything is accepted, no problem. Hmm. Next and the last part of the CSS continuation, sir. For last 2-3 days onwards, we are working with colors. First day official working. Today also we worked with colors, but unofficial. These colors are included in the part of the other topic. But last, especially 4-5 examples, if you observe, we are displaying the background colors, so text colors, so background colors. The multi-colors are single color. Single color only it is displaying. But we have the option to display the multi-colors also. But previous 4-5 examples, like as my shirt color, plain color. But I need the different shades there. Half screen one color, half screen one another color, or half text one color, half text another color, sir. 100% possible, sir. For that, we have special functions. What are the functions, sir? Gradient colors. Gradient colors. This word, somebody you know, sir, already. Anybody you have the awareness about the PowerPoint? MS Office PowerPoint is there. When you are preparing the PowerPoint slides or presentation, a slide background color, what you are applying? Generally single color or combinations of colors? Combinations of color. That combination is called as gradient. So more than one color we are applying as a background. More than one color we are applying as a background. That combinations are called as the gradient colors. How many gradients we have, sir? Two gradients available, sir. Linear gradient, radial gradient. Once I'll show in the paintbrush, observe that. Sorry, PowerPoint. This is our PowerPoint slide. Right click, format the background. I'm changing the background color. Which colors are? Which color you selected, that color it is applied. We also did this one, nothing special. Now, second option, gradient fill available, see that. Choose the color combination like this. Half one color, half another color. Which colors also you can choose. Same we can apply in our web pages. For the whole page we can apply like this. Otherwise for paragraph or H1 tag or something you can apply. So this is which type of gradient? Radial or linear? As per the shape of the colors, try to identify. You all are maths and physics idea. Linear or radial? Linear because samantram, parallel. Radial means cutting is comes. Curve is comes compulsory radials. I'll show that one also, see. But a curve available, sir. If you observe carefully, curve is available. Observe now, this is radial concept. This type of color applying is radial. Previous one is the linear. So CSS continuation, and this part of the is called is the gradient colors. CSS supports the two types of gradients. CSS supports the two types of gradients. So one is linear gradient. Second one is radial gradient. First models names I listed here, sir. Linear and radial. We'll start with first linear gradient. First, I'm explaining the linear gradient. So what is the use of this linear gradient and how to apply this one, sir? Purpose is to apply the multiple colors as a background. Gradients, the one and the only purpose is to apply the colors in multiple colors in the background. So some of the shots you can observe, sir, one side one color available, another side another color available. So many students plain color, some students multicolors. Multicolors concept is this gradient. Actually, this is function, sir, not property. Linear gradient, it's not a property, it's a function. Then only heading also I changed here. Previous 3-4 examples of properties heading available. And here I'm clearly typing this function used to apply multiple colors as a background for HTML elements. This function used to apply multiple colors as a background for HTML elements. Which elements are? Any type, H1, H2, paragraphs, anchor tags, whatever, except the image tag. Except the image tag. Because image tags, if you apply the background color, it's not visible to you. Image, they have already their own backgrounds available, sir. Our backgrounds are not accepting that one. So data related shapes, anything we can apply. And how to apply this one, sir? So by using a predefined function, the function name is linear gradient and brackets there comes. Recently we used an RGB function. Remember the 2 days back, I think. Like that, this is one more function, linear gradient. Syntax comes like this, sir. Linear gradient of. So first to specify the direction to apply. Do you want to apply the colors parallel horizontally or you want to apply the colors vertically? A direction required, sir. So first we have to specify the direction of the colors applying. Next, color 1, comma, color 2, comma, color 3, comma, up to 16 million colors you can write, no problem. Minimum 2 colors, sir, compulsory. If I take the single colors, sir, previous examples repeated. So minimum you have to take the 2 colors, maximum your interest. And every color after comma required, don't forget that one. And the first property, direction to apply. What we have to write in the direction place, sir? Next line I'm writing, sir. So direction means to left and apply towards to left side. To right, apply the colors towards to right side. To top, Apply the colors towards to the top and to bottom. So these are the four directions. Google Classroom, Google Classroom. So these are the four directions to apply the colors, sir. One is the two left. What is the meaning of two left, sir? Applying the colors towards to left side. Applying colors towards to left side. They're starting from which? Applying from right side and moving towards to left side. And next one, to right. Colors applying starts from the left side and moving towards to right side. Next, colors applying starts from the bottom and moving to towards to top. Colors applying from the bottom and moving to towards to top. Next ones are colors applying starts from the top, moving to towards to bottom. So what is these directions are? Your painting styles are. Suppose this is a walls or big wall, four painters available. We given the two colors, half wall one color, half one color. But all four painters applying the painting in the same direction. Somebody starts from left side of the wall and moving to right side. Somebody starts from right side and moving to left side. Somebody starts painting from the top of the wall and moving to bottom. Just directions applying that one. And which colors it is applying in these directions are your given colors. Which colors you specified, the colors are going to applying here. If I'm not specified any direction, which one it takes by default, sir? This one it will takes by default. I'm not mentioned, sir. I don't know this direction or I forget about the direction. Automatically it is going to applying to this one. If you go for any direction, colors applying parallelly. And the difference between these four directions are left and right side. These two applying colors vertically. This is vertical applying of the colors. And a top and bottom is applying the colors horizontally. So first two directions applying colors vertical shade, and next two directions applying colors on the horizontal there. First we'll finish the linear gradient, then we'll discuss about the radial gradient. So same doc type, HTML, head, title, link and body. The first 6-7 lines, no changes, just program number only changing. The body inside every program is going to change. This data I'm removing. Where you are applying the background color, sir? I'm applying the background color for my whole page. The whole page I'm applying. So go to the body, style equals to, write the linear and gradient. But when you are writing the linear or something, sir, colors not applying initially. Background hyphen color. So write the linear. If you want to apply the gradient colors, we should not use this background color property. We have to replace this property with some other property. Then only colors, multiple colors are working. So that I'm writing as a note point, sir. So while working with the gradients, any type of gradient, not only particular gradient, any type of gradient. While working with gradients, use background property. Use background property in place of background hyphen color property. The replacement, sir. Background hyphen color property replaces with the background property, especially while working with the gradients. If you are not replaced that one, sir, we already observed, sir, no colors. And if direct like also, I can show this one, but you are getting doubt. Last 4 examples, we used background hyphen color, background hyphen color. Why suddenly Shivkumar changed this one? That's the practical proof. Background hyphen color supportability problem, compatibility problem with gradients. So this must replace with this one. Now it works perfectly color. So total screen is sharing by the 2 colors, red and green, vertically or horizontally. To left, I use it the direction. So applying vertically like this or applying horizontally like this? Vertically. But red color comes left side or right side? I'm applying two colors, red and green. Red comes right side, sir. Left comes green side. But we given first red, sir. Direction observe. To left. And the painting starts from the right side. So first color right side painting, second color left side painting. This is the screen. So some portion red, some portion green. A middle portion observe, sir, little bit. It's not red, it's not green. Orange shade is comes. But orange shade not in our program, sir. And this side red color water flowing. This side green color water flowing. Flowing. Just 1 second. Advertisement. Now after that they are mixing like this. The mixing area is there now 5 to 10 centimeters. That is the 2 colors mixing shade displaying. So when you mix up the red and green, here we'll get the orange. See that almost 5 centimeters here. But I don't want this mixed shades, sir. End of this program, I'll explain that. Option is there. I don't want any mixing like this, sir. I need like this exactly. Special properties are available. Multicolor we applied on our screen, sir. Just an idea purpose, a small text message. Demo on gradient. It's not actually coding, sir. Just this message. So this is our page only or not, you will get the doubt gather. So our page only. Next, I want to change the direction, sir. Yes, to right. Now colors shuffling. Shuffling colors, direction changed. Next, same thing to top. First color bottom comes, second color top comes. Why, sir, boxes are comes, sir? Our page full data available, just a single line available. Single line. When you are extending the data, colors also spreading automatically. So your web page contains very small amount of data, that is just a single line, sir. A single line displaying like that. Same thing reverse, bottom, boxes ulta comes. That's all. 4 directions I shown here, left to right to top and bottom. Now finally decided to 2 left and colors, sir. Colors I'm taking my interested colors, sir. One of the good combination of the colors. Two colors, This is blue and magenta combination look like as this one. Now comes to paragraph. Sir, you applied whole body, sir. Yes, but I want to apply for particular heading or particular paragraph only, sir. 100% possible. So take one paragraph here. And this is the some small text inside the paragraph. Repeat the same option, but change the colors. Same color said it's not visible clearly, sir. So take any other colors. So to right, I'm taking this time 3 colors. Minimum to maximum your interest. The first one is green color. The second one is yellow color. And third one is blue color. Variety combination. Green, yellow, blue. So starting to almost 5 to 6 centimeters green available. Middle yellow is there. Edge blue color is available. In middle what's are and color mixing areas. These all are. Two colors touching, the touching area is going to getting like this. The top to bottom direction. 3 colors displaying like as a 3 lines. Next, how to control the colors, sir, without mixing. We have some special measurement, a special option for that one, sir. After every color code or color name, we can write the direct pixels, how much pixels you are expecting. So I'm taking one more paragraph, same paragraph. Direction okay, no changes in that one. And first color after, I'm writing some 30%. And second color after, I'm writing some 70%. And third color not necessary for me. And what are the colors, sir? Take any other colors, sir. One is the red. Second one is black. Okay. Second one is black. Black asked together. Data available, sir, but black not effective. Okay, choose any other color. Yellow top program already used together. Try any other color. This is. But what is the percentages effect, sir? A middle colors, observe that one. A mixing shade area reduced. Same thing run without percentages. So from here to here, almost 6 to 7 centimeters, we have the mixing portion, this total area. And that area I'm going to controlling with my percentages. Middle reduced area observed. Some more also you can reduce it based on your percentages. Next one,